This page showing the overview of Inficloud. Here we can see already one instance is available and we can create instances up to 10. Like other information is also available here. Now, we are going to create new instance. First click on Compute. Next click on Instances. Select On Demand. Loading available instance list. Now you can see the list of instances which has already existed. For new instance creation, click on the Launch Instance button. Please select Image from list. On next page you will get number of instance flavors. Select instance flavor according to your requirement. Here I'm going to select Infi.micro. If you want, you can change the instance name, and select Network. Check Entered detail once. And click on Launch Instance button. You will see pop-up of new instance creation. Click on OK button. Now you can see here process is going on. Status in active state. Click on Instance Name. It's showing details of instances. Instance name, IP address etc. Click on Back. Now select Action. You can perform some actions on instances like shut down server, create snapshot, attach volume, detach volume like. Select Shutdown Server. Shows pop-up of successfully shutting down. Click OK. See here status change to shut off and power status is shut down. Thank you.